Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download My Singing Monsters on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, confirm that you have Steam installed on your PC. Steam is a great platform for finding and downloading various games. If you don't have Steam yet, visit the official Steam website. In the top right corner, you'll find Install Steam. Click on it and follow the instructions to set it up. Once Steam is installed, open it. If you don't already have an account, select Create a free account and enter your email and password. After logging in, go to the search bar at the top right and type in My Singing Monsters. The game will show up in the search results. Click on its name to open the store page. Since this game is free, you can simply click Add to Library. Next, head over to your Library tab. You'll see My Singing Monsters listed there. Click on it and hit the Install button. Choose your preferred installation location, then click Next. The download will start automatically. Once the download is done, the Play button will appear. Click it to start enjoying My Singing Monsters. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye.